Hey there, welcome to 2 Hours HTML. In this short and exciting course, I'm going to teach you how to code in HTML. Yes, the foundation of every website and web applications out there. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and by the end of this 2 hours course, you will know how to program in HTML. This course is perfect for beginners. Never written a single line of code before? No problem. This is exactly where you need to start. And the best part, you do not need much to get started. Just a text editor like Visual Studio Code, a browser like Chrome, and your willingness to learn is all you need. I will walk you through everything step by step, and guess what? Everything we use in this course is completely free. And trust me, by the time you complete this course, you will have a solid foundation in web programming. So follow my lead, and in just 2 hours, you will be confident working with HTML. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started on your web development journey. See you in the course.